Woke up heavy, something in the air. Sunlight shining, but I'm not there. Took a pill like yesterday, hoping it would fade away. But it's crawling through my head. Every breath just feels misled. Tried to start, but lost my pace. Another sneeze cuts through the day. All my plans just slip away before I even start the day. I'm still sneezing, can't escape this endless wave I can't outrun. Eyes are burning, nose won't stop, and nothing ever gets done. I'm so tired of this body fighting things I can't even see. All I wanted was one good day, but it won't let me be. Clock keeps moving, I just stay watching hours drift away. Screen is on, but I'm not there. Just a body in a chair. Everyone is doing fine, living out their normal time, and I'm stuck inside this skin, losing fights I never win. Why is it always hitting me when I just need to breathe? I'm still sneezing, can't escape this endless wave I can't outrun. Eyes are burning, nose won't stop, and nothing ever gets done. I'm so tired of this body turning on me every season. All I wanted was one good day, but I'm still here, still sneezing. Still sneezing. Night comes in, I close my eyes, but the itch just never dies. Quiet room, but in my head, every breath feels like a threat. Try to sleep, but wake again. Same old cycle, same old pain. Even rest just feels like work. Peace is something I can't get. It's just allergies, they say. It'll pass in a few days, but they don't feel it every breath, wearing me down bit by bit. I'm so done with losing time to something I can't even find. Still sneezing, still the same. Another day I couldn't win. I still burning, no still runs, and I'm so tired deep within. If tomorrow feels like this, I don't know what I believe in. All I wanted was one good day, but I'm still here, still sneezing. Just one day deep to feel okay. Just one breath that doesn't break. If it comes, I'll hold it tight. Till then I fade into the night, still sneezing.